Hello guys, so today we are going to make mango pudding. So these are the ingredients that we need to prepare. Chopped almonds, first coconut milk or unnam thenga paalu, and this is rendam thenga paalu. Some chopped mangoes, and this is mango puree, and this is powdered sugar. And you can take any bowl to set in your pudding. We took this one. In the first layer you need to put bread like this. Then you need to add this powdered sugar in Ondan Tenga Pal and Randam Tenga Pal. Gotta mix. Now you have to put first coconut milk on top of the bread, as in to soak the bread. Once it's done, you can add the mango puree on top and spread it nicely. Now you gotta put the second layer of bread. Add coconut water again. Now you gotta put the chopped mango slices on top of the second layer after putting the coconut water. Now we gotta put the bread again to start our third layer. Add coconut water again. Now this is the last step in which we are going to spread all the mango puree on top nicely. Lastly, we are gonna garnish our chopped almonds. Okay guys, after which you have to keep it for like 4 to 5 hours in the fridge for it to set it properly, and then take it out, use a knife or whatever you like, and just cut the layer in whichever form you want it, and then place it in the bowl of your choice. I'm using this here and you can see the layers. Guys, you should try it. Looks so rich, yummy and creamy.